I'm excited to bring you our latest new luxury listing here in the neighborhood of Keswick. Let's check it out together. Come on in. And now coming on to the upstairs, you'll find beautiful open to above ceilings, attention to details, luxury light fixtures, built-in speaker system, beautiful bonus room overlooking below to the family room downstairs. Every room has its own bathroom and a walk-in closet, luxurious master bedroom with a great ton of features you don't want to miss out.